I'm gonna try again, but longer. No, everything's great. Don't worry about it.
That's gonna cut into your time given we only have 4 minutes and 13 seconds to go.
I'm not too worried about it. You know what? My meal could also use some graham crackers. I'm gonna make some.
You're gonna toast them just like me?
No.
Oh, okay. And now I'm preparing my station to start plating. I have marshmallow fluff right here. I have my toasted graham crackers. I have my Blue Stripes chocolate. I have my butane torch. I also need my chocolate mousse.